Hello guys, this is Sachin Chaudhary from IIPS DAVV and today we will discuss about classification of sensors. Let's start. First of all, what is sensor? In most general form, a sensor can be defined as a device that receives a stimulus and responds to it with a signal. This is so general definition that it can be applied to anything in nature. In our given context, we have to study more specific definition. So moving to that, a sensor is a device which detects change in any physical quantity like temperature, light, pressure, etc. around it and converts it into the electrical signal. These electrical signals are then converted into pulses, beats, which are sent to some specifically designed application-based processing unit. Now, classification of sensor. Sensors are classified on the following basis. First, according to various measurement objective like temperature sensor, pressure sensor, etc. Second one is according to principal operation like ultrasonic sensor, inductive sensor, etc. Third one is according to output signal like sound sensor, light sensor, etc. First of all, we will discuss about according to various measurement objective and its type is temperature sensor, pressure sensor, level sensor, displacement sensor, flow sensor, speed sensor. First, we will discuss about temperature sensor. A temperature sensor is a device, typically a thermocouple or RTD, that provides for temperature measurement through an electrical signal. A thermocouple is made for the two dissimilar metal that generates electrical voltage in direct proportional to change in temperature. An RTD, resistance temperature detector, is a variable resistor that will change its electrical resistance in direct proportional to change in temperature in a precise, repeatable and nearly linear manner. Now, example of temperature sensor is the thermocouples, thermistor, resistance temperature detector, etc. Now, application of temperature sensor is digital thermometer in boiler, in gas turbine. Now, this is diagram of temperature sensor. This is RTD, this is thermistor, and this is thermocouple. Second one is pressure sensor. A pressure sensor is a device for pressure management of gases or liquids. Pressure is an expression of the force required to stop a fluid from expanding, and it's usually stated in terms of force per unit area. A pressure sensor usually acts as a transducer. It generates a signal as a function of the pressure imposed. For the purpose of this article, such a signal is electrical. Now, example of pressure sensor. First is barometric, second one is piezo, third is resistive pressure sensor, and etc. Now, application of pressure sensor is in boiler, in gas turbine, etc. This diagram will show the pressure sensor. This is barometric, this is piezo, and this is resistive pressure sensor. Now, third one is level sensor. A level sensor is a device that is designed to monitor, maintain and measure liquid levels. Once the liquid level is detected, the sensor converts the received data into the electrical signal. Level sensors are used primarily in the manufacturing and automotive industry, but they can be found in many household appliances as well, such as ice maker in refrigerator. Now, example of level sensor is magnetic and mechanical float, pressure transducer, pneumatic, capacitance, load cell, etc. And application of level sensor is oil water tank, boiler, etc. And this is the diagram of level sensors. Fourth one is flow sensor. A flow sensor is a device used to measure the instant flow rate of quantity of gas or liquid passes through a pipeline. Typically, a flow sensor is a sensing element used in flow meter. Flow meter are also known as other names such as flow gauge, flow indicator, liquid meter, etc. depending on the particular industry. Now, example of flow sensor is velocimeters, laser-based sensor, Hall effect sensor, thermal mass flow meter, etc. Now, application of flow sensor is in industrial used for measuring the flow rate. Now, this diagram is flow sensor. First, this is thermal mass flow meter. This is velocimeters. This is Hall effect sensor. Now, another one is speed sensor. Sensor used for detecting speed of an object or vehicle is called as speed sensor. Measurement of speed is great significance in variety of applications involving some motion. While moving in a car, train or flying in aircraft or sailing in a ship, we are often interested to know how fast we are moving. In this way, speed sensor is used. Now, example of speed sensor is wheel speed sensor, speedometers, radar, ground speed radar, etc. Now application of speed sensor is in bike, in car, tachometers, etc. And this is the diagram of speed sensor. This is wheel speed sensor, speedometer, radar, etc. Classification of sensor. Second type is according to principle of operations: resistive sensor, capacitive sensor, inductive sensor, and ultrasonic sensors. First, we will discuss about resistive sensor. A resistive sensor is a transducer or electromagnetical device that converts mechanical change such as displacement into an electronic signal that can be monitored after conditioning. Resistive sensors are among the most common in instrumentation. The simplest resistive sensor is the potentiometer. Now, example of resistive sensor is potentiometer, strain gauge, thermistor, etc. Now, application of resistive sensor is calculate the temperature, used measuring displacement, and etc. Now, second one is capacitive sensor. A capacitive sensor which generates the electrical signal according to the input. Capacitive sensor can directly sense a variety of things: motion, chemical composition, electric field, and indirectly sense many other variables which can be converted into motion or dielectric constants such as pressure, acceleration, fluid level, non-fluid composition, and etc. Now, third one is inductive sensor. Inductive sensor is a device that uses the principle of electromagnetic induction to detect or measure objective. An inductor develops a magnetic field when a current flows through it. Alternatively, a current will flow through a circuit containing an inductor when the magnetic field through it changes. These effects can be used to detect the metallic object that interact with a magnetic field. Now, application of inductive sensor is metal detector, traffic light, car washes, etc. Now, this is diagram of inductive sensor. Another one is ultrasonic sensor. An ultrasonic sensor is an instrument that measures the distance to an object using ultrasonic sound waves. An ultrasonic sound uses a transistor to send and receive ultrasonic pulses that relay back information about an object proximity. High level frequency sound waves reflect the boundaries to produce distinct echo patterns. Now, application of ultrasonic sensor is in industrial use, NDT, in ship, etc. Now, this is diagram of ultrasonic sensor. Third one is according to output signal, and its type is light sensor. Now, light sensor. A light sensor generates an output signal, indicate the intensity of light by measuring the radiant energy that exists in a very narrow range of frequency, basically called light, and which range in frequency from infrared to visible up to ultraviolet light spectrum. The light sensor is a passive device that converts the light energy, whether visible or in the infrared part of the spectrum, into an electrical signal output. Light sensors are more commonly known as the photoelectric device or photosensors because they converted light energy photons into electrons. Now, example of light sensor is photoresistors, photodiodes, phototransistors, etc. And now application of light sensor is CRO, camera and mobile phone, etc. Now this is diagram of light sensor. So thank you everyone. Hope this video was useful for you. Thank you very much.